Hello everyone, my name is Marcelia Kupa and today I will be talking about the research paper Do Individual Differences Predict Perceived Employability? A Systematic Literature Review. Introduction. In the recent years, the labor market has become more unstable due to globalization, technological development, and changing employment structures. Because of this, perceived employability has become increasingly important. Perceived employability refers to an individual's belief in their ability to obtain and maintain employment. It plays an important role in career success, job satisfaction, and professional development. The purpose of this study, the article examines how individuals' differences influence perceived employability. The author focused on internal psychological factors instead of only external or organizational influences. The study divides individual differences into categories. Category personality training. Five personality traits: emotional intelligence, dark triad traits. Then we have psychological resources: self-efficiency, resilience, optimism, proactivity, psychological capital. Then we're moving along to methodology. The author conducted a systematic literature review using the PRISMA framework to ensure a structured and transparent analysis process. The research process: the database research are Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, Psychoinfo, Emerald Insight, and then there were 2,662 studies initially identified, 24 peer-reviewed studies selected for final analysis, and studies published between 2013 to 2024. Moving along to analysis and findings. The findings show that psychological resources are the strongest predictors of perceived employability. Around 89 of these tested relationships between psychological resources and employable were positive and statistically significant. Self-efficiency was identified as one of the most important factors because individuals who believe in their abilities feel more confident about obtaining and maintaining employment. Psychological capital, which includes hope, optimism, resilience, and self confidence, also has strong positive effects on employability perception. Moving along to personality traits findings. Personality traits showed mixed and inconsistent results across the studies. Traits such as consciousness and extraversion were sometimes positively related to employability, while neuroticism occasionally showed negative effects. And to conclude everything, the study concludes that psychological resources are more reliable predictors of perceived employability than stable personality traits. Factors such as resilience, self confidence, and adaptability help individuals feel more employable in uncertain labor markets. The author recommends that universities and organizations focus on developing these psychological resources through training and career development programs. Final points are that psychological resources improve employability, self efficiency is highly important, training and development are very necessary, and future research should longitude studies. Thank you so much for listening.